Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to tackle a common issue that many of you may have encountered when trying to scrape websites like Archive. This from Amazon Web Services, AWS. Have you ever tried to fetch data from these sites only to be met with an HTTP 400 and HTTP 429 error? If so, you're not alone. This error is often referred to as the too many requests error, and it's usually a sign that the website is blocking your requests because they think you're a bot or a scraper. But here's the thing. Sometimes we genuinely need to scrape these websites for legitimate purposes, such as data collection or monitoring. So what can we do in this video? We'll explore the reasons behind this error and provide a step-by-step guide on how to properly set up your network traffic so it appears non-Oz. So, let's dive into the main question. Why are websites like Archive is blocking our requests? From AWS, the reason is simple. They want to prevent bots and scrapers from overwhelming their servers with too many requests, and AWS IP addresses are often easy to identify as bot traffic because of the large number of requests coming from a single IP address. To solve this problem, we need to make our network traffic appear more like it's coming from a legitimate user rather than a scraper. Here are some steps you can take. Firstly, consider using a proxy service or a VPN that can route your traffic through different IP addresses. This will make it harder for websites to identify your requests as coming from AWS. Secondly, make sure you're respecting the website's terms of service and robots TXT file. Don't overwhelm their servers with too many requests at once. Finally, use a reasonable delay between requests and consider using a queuing system to manage your requests. Lastly, ensure that your user agent string is set correctly. This will help websites identify your requests as coming from a legitimate browser rather than a scraper. Think of it like this. Imagine you're visiting a store in person. You wouldn't walk in and start grabbing products off the shelves without interacting with anyone. You would politely ask for assistance, wait in line if necessary, and respect the store's rules. That's what we need to do when scraping websites. Be respectful of their servers and policies. So, to summarize, use a proxy service or VPN to route your traffic through different IP addresses. Respect the website's terms of service and robots TXT file by not overwhelming their servers with too many requests at once. Ensure that your user agent string is set correctly to appear like legitimate browser traffic. By following these steps, you should be able to avoid HTTP 429 errors when scraping websites from AWS. Remember to always respect the website's policies and servers. It's crucial for maintaining a positive relationship between web scrapers and website owners. That's all for today's video. If you have any questions or comments about avoiding HTTP 429 errors, please leave them in the section below. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, and consider subscribing to my channel for more content on web scraping and data collection. See you in the next video.